Locals, when we talk about local, how you define locals? Maybe we add with the local business, local education, school. So that will be included as well. So when we talk about local business, you have to make sure that you combine all tourism sector, tourism products. Give example, very small scale like souvenir shop or spa, massage, or even taxi driver. That could be. And also because most of the time when we define the tourism sector, tourism business sector, we only have a very big one. We have to make sure that we generate and make sure that we can set balance between the small business and also the big company as well. Not only count like 5-star hotels, but also we have to count down to the locals level too. And then when we talk about the locals, then we will come with the local school. The school play very significant impact to the sustainable tourism development because they hold of the new generation. They have a lot of practicing going on. They can have like startup initiative, or maybe they can provide our trainee to support the program. So that means the school in different level, like very young generation, like nursery or even nursery, like very much. You probably never think about that. The nursery level can play significant impact to the family mind. Sometimes the school teach their children to separate garbage. When they go back home, they influence the family, the parents to change. So that is actually start from very young school age until the university level. The university level can play very significant roles, like supporting research, or maybe they can become to be the middleman who actually have set up some kind of workshop and discussion, and they can provide that knowledge and the theory and practicing, and they can use that research to be practicals, which is maybe that will be another concept. But we talk about academic service, which is right now being as a professor. It's not only teaching in class, but they want to have very good benefit of mankind, which is like Mahidol University as a philosophy. We don't want to be clever only in the university. We don't want to be smart and people appreciate us only in the university, but also we want to go out and then support the community, so that you have to count them, and they pretty much enjoy, and then they pretty much intend to commit to you. And another one maybe is the new one. We talk about media. The new media, online media, offline media, the one that can influence the idea, or maybe can be the trendsetter. Like right now we have to invite blogger, we have to invite the social media association to participate in our sustainable tourism practice, because they have to learn. They start to be inspired by us. Whenever they have been inspired, they start to just spread the news, talking about how to change the attitude of consumer. We cannot change by ourselves. Then we have to help each other to do it by helping together. And the last one was this, the participation, local participation, supporting to the local consumer. Maybe you see a lot of campaigns that we try to set up the local community, like I give example like university network or local university. How we set up in our university, we call local university, and we have our own society. In this small society, we set up policy to change the consumer to buy things, to think, to react about the practicing the sustainable way. So that actually can help. This or when we talk about local participation, you have to make sure you count all key tourism stakeholders, and that will be very good start for you.